Hey guys, Win Crew here and D1 Sports. We're the proud sponsors of D1 Doggy Dash.
The event will take place on Saturday, September 22nd at 10 a.m. at Kariakis Park. Come and join us for a 5K fun run or 1 mile doggy dash.
The race is $25 per person, or you can register as a team for $20 a person.
Don't have a dog? The Bowling Green Humane Society will bring one for you to walk.
Portions of the proceeds will go to the Bowling Green Warren County Humane Society.
Come join us for the D1 Doggy Dash Saturday, September 22nd at 10 a.m.
Portions of the proceeds.
Oh yeah. He was ready. He was ready. Oh my gosh, he was ready. You gotta cooperate. I have to have your shit. Sit down. Sit. There you go. Don't have a dog?
Hey guys, Win Crew here and D1 Sports. We're here proud. Hey guys, Win Crew here and D1 Sports. We're the proud sponsors of the Doggy Dog Day Dash Out.
Doggy dog. Out? Where did out come from? Did you just...
Hey guys, Win Crew here and D1 Sports. We're the proud sponsors of the Doggy. I can't do it.
Don't have a dog? The Humane Society will provide those. Bitch. No. Tony. Rock. Rock.